definitely not it. Alright, cool, we got some scratches going on. So we'll just drag that into here. And now we got some scratches. And I will just ratchet that and see what this looks like. Move it around a little bit probably. Geez, I should have moved it around first. It's backwards. Let's do that again. Cool way to do this is just to constrain it and then just move it around, because that way you can have different, instead of skewing it, you can now you can just kind of do this or this. I don't necessarily like that. So you can kind of see what you really want. That I don't like that. What if I do this? Now this is where you play with it. And then just instead of it's going to be multiply. See, it doesn't really do the thing. It's not as aggressive. And then you can even take it down a notch. Under the multiply layer, that's fine. What I'm going to do here, though, is scratches. Transform again. Let's go. I think what I'm going to do is lighten that up a little bit so we can see some of that texture. So we'll go back here and just get rid of that just so you can see what you're doing. And then we'll just do that again until you get a one. See. And kind of like that, but I want to keep this dark. And then we'll just put that back up. And I kind of like it. Now, the only thing that I am missing, well, first I got to see if this RPM is actually necessary. And I think it is. It just goes with the logo. Yeah, we're going to leave it. The next thing we'll do is I just want to add a line, and then I think we're fine. And play with the opacity right here. Yeah, because if you do full black, it's okay, but just enough to take it down a notch, just enough to. Right about there. I'm happy with that. 81% opacity. Okay, I'm just gonna see if the line right here will work good. So I gotta find one of my lines. Like I said, you can go to like for $5, you can get like a whole template pack of people's vectors and graphics, and it's really worth it if you're gonna do any kind of design. Because sometimes it's just so much faster if you can just do it. I mean, if you're inclined to do it, like even if I had to go, like for example, if I had to outsource this, it would just take time. Like I can literally do it faster and I can get what I want. But that's because I'm so used to it. So I mean, work to your strengths. If this is kind of your strength or you kind of enjoy it, you might as well do it. If you don't, then do not even attempt to do it. Outsource the hell out of it and run for the hills. Looks like SEO for me. I run for the hills when it comes to SEO, and some people are, scoff at that because that's how they get all their traffic. But to me, it's not worth doing. I'm going to be crappy at it no matter how long it takes me to learn it. Okay, so I'm looking for a line real quick, and we should be almost done with this thing. Line breakers. Alright, so just look at a couple. Okay, so I don't know where we're looking. I'm going to move it over, and I know it's going to. Okay, that's fine. So this is what I'm looking at. See, up here and here, and it's on the other screen, obviously, like I said. So I kind of like this one of the top ones, and I think they go in order of 1. So that would be line 1, I believe. I'll know by just doing this. Okay, yeah, that's line 1. So I actually need this whole file. And I'll bring it over, and I'll see if that's what I want it to do. Don't really know. Let's try it. I don't know why it's not matching over. The thing you gotta consider is does it distract, and I think this one does, so I don't want this one. So I don't like that one. I don't see any other ones that, okay, I'll just take this really small one right here, so that's gotta be like 9 or something. It's not that one, not that one, going the wrong way, it's this one. Okay. So we'll take this one, see if this will work for us. It's definitely not gonna work. Yeah, not gonna work. Another thing we can do, I'll just try this, and then because it just looks good. It just looks a little flat, so I'm just gonna. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. You can't overuse this, but if you go to render, lighting effects, oh jeez, okay. Pretty much you got to rasterize your whole image, but we'll just use layer 2. Actually looks pretty good too. Let's take the opacity down on this one. Yeah, why not, right? Jeez, that's pretty cool. Anyways, what I was saying was, so you just take that layer and let me just duplicate it in case I don't like the way it looks. I can just delete the layer. And I'll just, okay, yeah, I'll just take this off. And what I'll do is filter and then render and then lighting effects. And you can kind of move this around and see what it looks like. Let's just try this. Okay, so that didn't make much of a difference, so we're just going to take it. We're just going to leave it. I think that's actually where we want to be. Maybe this darkness over here is not dark enough.